Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard. Today, I'll be introducing 55 Poetic Cues, which is the second volume of the Poetic Cues trilogy, written by Danny Martin Gerard. This book of poetry is a collection of poems and quotes on the topic of metaphysics and life. Writer-poet Danny G shares his personal insights and memoirs while encouraging you to create change in your life and in the world. You'll be intrigued as you ponder these teachings about overcoming challenges, seeking inner peace, and creating a brighter humanity. Now about the author. Danny G was born in Cochrane, Ontario, Canada, and his current place of residence is in Timmins, Ontario, Canada. He writes a blog on the website DannyGS.fortoday.com, and he posts regular inspiring poetry, quotes, and blog articles on spirituality and life. He strongly believes that spiritual well-being is key to a life of health and happiness. He witnessed the profound impact that his spiritual evolution had in his own life to overcome health challenges, have greater peace of mind, and ultimately to be happy. And now, to begin with the first poem from 55 Poetic Cues, The Hero Within Us. We look at a celebrity with admiration and astonishment in our eyes. We sing them praises for merely their talent, elegance, and recognition. Yet we don't see our own magnificence, triumph, and the hero within us. We're heroes because we persevered despite the seemingly little odds. We're heroes because we didn't give in despite the world crashing down on us. We're heroes because we persisted despite it all and saw the victory, not for reasons that are irrelevant to who we are. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life right now. I am grateful to be reading to everybody on YouTube, the whole world. I'm so grateful for this. I'm very grateful for Danny's writing. I'm very grateful for my wife's support. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.